Hello guys, welcome back. Today I found that one very useful plugin in the compressor part. So normally we have this kind of situation where sometimes the speaker on the stage, they speak quite near, and then sometimes the mic is further from the mouth and the volume becomes soft. So normally what we can do to solve this issue to make it a more even volume is to use a compressor. Okay, but there's a one disadvantage of the compressor. You feel that the sound, the audio, or the spoken word become too compressed, but it depends on your setting. Okay, we have this plugin which we call in the console auto rider. Basically, it's not compressing anything. It's just a automatic level control. So based on the rules that we set. So let's jump into the console and have a look, and we'll see what's the difference between the auto rider and the compressor. Come, let's go. So now we are in the Behringer wing. So what I have set up here is channel 5 and channel 6. So this is a channel 5 and this is a channel 6. Both of them, channel 5 is set from the local input 5, and channel 6 we are coming from local input 5 as well. So what's the difference between these two channels is my channel 5 is using the wing compressor and my channel 6 is using the auto rider. So now I'm talking, I'm already unmute the channel 5, which is the wing compressor. So basically normally compressor is used when we want to balance, even out the volume. So when the volume is become too loud, it will compress down. Okay, for this example, if let's say our threshold is exceeded, you see our volume is here. If I speak louder, it will compress down, but now I'm off. So let's say when I turn on this, it will compress down, and you can see there's a 12 dB gain here. So this 12 dB is I purposely to make it such high makeup gain for demonstration purpose. Okay, so when we turn on this, if I shout louder, hey, 1, 2, it won't go loud because of the compression, but because of the makeup gain, I can increase the volume as well. So this is how we can achieve a quite even sound with the compressor. So let's turn off this wing compressor. Okay, let's mute this channel 5 and unmute the channel 6. Okay, now we are on channel 6. My auto rider is not turned on yet. So what this auto rider basically is a level control based on the rules that we set. So we have the threshold same as the compressor. We set to minus 44.5 dB. If you go back to the channel 5, the compressor threshold is minus 44.5 dB as well. So it's the same threshold, but we have a target. So we are here minus 18 dB. Once we exceed the threshold, this output will try to match the target. So we are trying to match to ensure that minus 18 dB is achieved in the output, and the range here is 10 dB, which means I can maximum go to up to 10 dB. And speed is how fast this fader go up. So let's have a demonstration purpose on lower speed. Let me turn down the speed and turn on auto rider. So if I'm trying to speak, and once I exit the threshold, you can see the fader is going up and up and up. But there's a limit because I have already set the 10 dB extra boost from the limit. So if I keep speaking and speaking and speaking and speaking, it will go up and go up so that they can achieve the minus 18 dB output threshold. So now let's look at this. You can see we have achieved the plus 10 dB. So that is quite slow. We can change the speed here to become faster. Let me mute, be silent for a while to let it come down. Okay, come down. Now, because of the speed, now it's coming up faster and faster. I can control this kind of speed. Let me silent again. So that is it. So you can adjust the speed of the level itself. We can adjust the ratio, the whole, how many seconds, and even the range. Let's say I go lower. Yeah, the maximum level is a 7 dB. So this is how the auto rider works, and this is quite useful if we want to preserve the dynamic. When I'm shouting, it doesn't compress my voice. So yeah, this is a very good plugin. At your arsenal, you can use this depending on what you want. And I found that this is quite a useful tool, especially for speech. So what do you think? Is it nice enough? Let me know, and see you again in next video. Bye bye.